What's going on, world? It's your boy Hatty Rashad, and I'm back with some more game for my brand owners and all of my clothing designers. I'm about to show y'all some new items that we just got in for my man LT's birthday collection. Got some new hoodies and some baseball jerseys, but we're gonna start with this hoodie, man. I love it. Came out great. We went with a new material this time, like a lighter French terry. Normally our hoodies are pretty heavy, you know, and we wanted to switch it up because people was giving us feedback. It was a lot of lint coming off on the inside, and you know, we can't have that. I love the color. This deep royal blue came out super crazy. Kept it consistent with our normal embroidery on the front. 2-layer twill, black and white. Came out super clean. Happy about that. Got a nice royal crown logo for the wrist. Add a little extra detail. Same signature hard grind elastic on the hood, man. Crazy. I ain't gonna lie, by the time this video drop, these will probably be sold out. Same thing, electric green, crazy color. Gotta come up with some sneakers to go with this one. Goodness gracious, this is gonna be crazy. So on to the baseball jersey. First time doing the baseball jersey with the embroidery on it. We did 1-layer twill, super clean, man. I like the way the embroidery came out. Gave it a real authentic feel. Got the hard grind patch down there for the detail. Number 8 on the back, just to give it that Baltimore feel. Cal Ripken, man, he was one of the legendary players from out there, so we just kept it B-more for this colorway. One thing I will improve or would like to improve for the next go around is this inside neck detail. You can see the embroidery from the inside, from the back of the embroidery, man. I would like to put a little patch right there just to cover that up and make it a little bit more clean. But other than that, man, these are fire. Black and orange. Like always, we do the signature black and red vibes for the grind. Number 3 on the back, crazy. Black and white demo. Gotta love the black and white demo. Number 6 on the back. Alright, man, so now that y'all got a general idea of what we working with, let's get some product shots done. So normally we'll go out to the studio, Union 206 out Alexandria. They got a dope setup with the white walls and white floors. We could just set it down and get some real clean shots. But you know, this holiday season we on a budget, so we about to get these things done in the crib. Luckily I got these gray wood floors in, so it should be pretty easy to get some good shots and, you know, cut the background out so you can get those nice clean white background product shots. Let's go.
Hatty ain't playing no games, ay.
Alright, man, as you can see, we just thugging it out in the crib. It ain't too much to it. I know a lot of startup brands, man, they probably get stressed out. You know, once they done spent all of that bread on the clothes, then the clothes get here. You wondering how you gonna get high quality shots. Studio rates are always high. Look at what we just did. Rolled up the rug, laid the clothes down, got some simple shots. Now all we gotta do is take it to the Photoshop, make the background transparent, put all of the white behind it, and it's ready for the website. Save your bread. Alright, y'all, it is a wrap, man. Y'all seen what we did. It was pretty simple. So make sure y'all log on to hardgrindworld.com to see how everything ended up laying out on the website. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And if you got your own brand and you got any other tips or different ideas about how y'all get it done, I'd like to definitely check that out. So leave a comment, tag your brand in, and I'll definitely check you guys out. Peace.